Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me and a new Kamado owner and you don't have a fancy wood table to put your Kamado on and you're stuck with the metal base that comes with it, you often get confused sometimes, or well, I get a little, I wouldn't say confused, but unsure of where to put my stuff. What I mean by stuff is right now I only have the grates that came with the Kamado and I have the heat deflectors. That's all I've got. I've been looking at buying things such as a soapstone, maybe some griddle pieces, but at the very least a pizza stone. And I've got myself wondering, where am I going to put all this stuff at? I don't have that table that we talked about, one of them big fancy ones to set it in, and maybe one day I'll build one. But right now, basically, I've got these two side tables. Which, I mean, we got hooks on here to store things like our little fire poker ash removal tool, the actual, grill grate grippers, and the actual accessory tool. But that's really about all that's going to work for. You could probably, get away with hanging some stuff down here if you want to, or really you can just set the grates over here on this. Well, I don't want to be scratching up the nice metal side tables here, and I don't want to get them all greasy. This is, this is all dried on and cooked stuff we just scrape off, but I don't want to be making a mess. So it got me thinking, there's got to be something that I can buy that just kind of goes on this. Someone's got to make something that'll just attach onto my stand. So I did the right thing and got onto Amazon and started looking for some options to add on to my just regular old Kamado Joe Classic 2 that I bought. I came across these bad boys. Just looks like bent metal pieces, right? But let me show you what they do. Keep in mind, got these from Amazon. I'll put links below to these add-on pieces. They're like $29.99, I believe, for two of them. And I will put the links. Keep in mind those are affiliate links, so if you guys buy something through those links, I get a little bit of commission for it, but it's of no expense to you guys as the consumer. So let's take a look at what these do. It's a very basic setup, but basically you just set it in here, flex it past, and let it set down there on the weldments. Pretty slick. Again, it's just a quarter-inch thick steel piece that's been powder coated, so it's not going to rust. But now you can do things like this. If you wanted to just set one of your grates out of the way, you just set it down in there. That's really slick, in my opinion. You could put your soapstones in there, really anything, and that's not going anywhere. Stuff's just going to sit in there nice, and it can be out of the way. Likewise, you can fit several different things in there. Maybe you want to have both your grates in there, and you want to have your ceramic plate. You don't want to have a ceramic plate. You can set three things in there. That's pretty slick if you ask me. A lot of quick, simple storage on this actual piece. Like I said, it's kind of neat because your stand is four-sided. You could put one on the front if you wanted, and you could put one on the side. So you could have one here in the front, one on that side, or if you wanted to, you could have one in the back and one on each side, or whatever you wanted to do here. I kind of like the idea of keeping them over to the side so they, feel like they're more out of the way. Definitely most of the time simpler is better. So I think this is a pretty quick and easy way to add more storage to your existing stand. Again, really low cost in my opinion. Basically it's 15 bucks a piece, which for a piece of bent metal that's been powder coated may seem expensive to a lot of you. You could probably create your own, but there's just kind of that rule of thumb that sometimes if you can buy it, it's cheaper to do that unless you have the materials yourself sitting around. Again, I'll drop the links below as well as another link above to me buying this or bringing home this for Father's Day from Costco and what it took to assemble it all. Well, folks, that's all I have for today. I'm going to give you guys a quick video to show you these new accessories I got from my Kamado Joe. Simple design, but it gives you some very functional space for storage and keeping things out of the way so you're not hogging up your precious Kamado space right next to the cook area and getting it all dirty and scratched up and abused. So you can see down below here now I've got some grates on this side and heat deflector on that side just to show you. I'm planning on getting a pizza stone, maybe a soapstone for making some smash burgers or other fun things like that. If you guys like today's video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a part of the YouTube family, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell next to it and make it turn gray. If you do that, you'll get notifications when I post more videos like this. Thanks again for stopping by. My name's Kyle. Get out there, cook something on your Kamado. And until next time, I'll see ya.